Why do so many men seem deeply in love in the early years, and then suddenly become distant, distracted, or uninterested later on? Is it boredom? Is it another woman? Is it marriage itself? Actually, the real reason is something far more surprising and rarely talked about. Today, I'm going to break down the hidden psychology behind why some men lose interest in their wives, and what couples can do to rebuild the spark in a real, lasting way. The myth we all believe. There's a myth that men lose interest because they get tired of their wives. But the truth is, men don't lose interest in their wives. They lose interest in the version of themselves they become inside the marriage. Most men enter marriage feeling like protectors, providers, passionate lovers. Over time, life turns them into problem solvers, bill payers, and routine followers. When a man stops feeling like the best version of himself, he often withdraws emotionally, sometimes without even realizing it. The 4 unspoken reasons men pull away. 1. He loses a sense of progress. Men are wired for growth. When everyday life becomes repetitive, wake up, work, eat, sleep, he stops feeling like he's moving forward. What a man can't articulate, he often replaces with distance. 2. Emotional safety disappears for him, too. Women often share first. Men, however, shut down first. If a man feels judged, criticized, or misunderstood, even unintentionally, he withdraws instead of expressing what hurts. 3. He misses admiration, not attention. Men don't need applause. They need to feel appreciated. When appreciation fades and is replaced by constant responsibility, he begins to feel emotionally invisible, even if he is physically present. 4. The relationship stops feeling like a partnership. When routine replaces connection, couples start acting like roommates. Tasks replace intimacy. Conversations turn into logistic. Love becomes maintenance instead of meaning. What wives often misunderstand. Most women think the solution is to try harder, talk more, do more, care more. But many men interpret this as pressure, not love. He doesn't want you to be more. He wants to feel like himself again. He wants to feel wanted, not needed, desired, not demanded, cherished, not corrected. What men secretly wish their wives knew. Men rarely say these words out loud, but here's what they secretly crave. I want to feel respected again. I want to feel like I make you happy. I want to feel like we're a team, not coworkers. I want to feel like your man, not your project. When these needs go unspoken, they come out as distance, boredom, or disconnection. How to bring back his interest. 1. Create micro-moments of admiration. Say simple things like, I love the way you handle this. I trust your decisions. I'm proud of you. These aren't compliments, they're fuel. 2. Rebuild team energy. Pick a goal you can work on together. A fitness challenge, a saving goal, a home project, anything that creates mutual excitement. 3. Reintroduce mystery. Give him something to wonder about. Not secrecy, surprise. Break routine just enough to reawaken chemistry. 4. Give him emotional space without emotional distance. Men open up in silence. Let quiet moments be connection, not conflict. Conclusion. Men don't lose interest because the love disappears. They lose interest because they lose themselves. The goal isn't to change the man or fix the marriage, it's to rediscover the partnership. If both people grow together instead of apart, love doesn't fade. It matures. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What part of this video spoke to you the most?